guys, I'm at the Rowans Lane Level Crossing in Allansford, Victoria. This is a 4-signal gated level crossing on the Warrnambool Line, which sees the Warrnambool Freight and N classes, and today a Seymour Railway Heritage Centre tour with A66 and X31. On this first signal over here, it has an unmarked base, a Westinghouse Gate mechanism, white with black writing software and signal sign, 4 Westinghouse LEDs on a Westinghouse Crossarm, a Red Background Crossbuck, a healthy state indicator, a new style Safetran Type 3, a flat gate and 3 Unipart gate lights. The gateless signal on this side of the road, which surprisingly doesn't have its lights facing over to the freeway, sort of. It's kind of just facing straight out into the middle of the road, surprisingly. Has an unmarked base, a white with black writing software and signal sign, 2 Westinghouse LEDs on a Westinghouse Crossarm, a Red Background Crossbuck, and a pole cap. Here's the level crossing pulse number. And let's see an activation. On the other side of the crossing, I have an unmarked base, a Westinghouse Gate mechanism, white with black writing software and signal sign, 4 Westinghouse LEDs on Westinghouse Crossarm, Red Background Crossbuck, Safetran Type 3 E-bell, flat gate and 3 Unipart gate lights. And the gateless signal over here has an unmarked base, white with black writing software and signal sign, 2 Westinghouse LEDs on Westinghouse Crossarm, Red Background Crossbuck and a pole cap. And there's another crossing fault number over here, but yeah. Let's see that activation.